soft and slow. Eyes locked together in a silent rhyme, lost in love, just passing time. Hands entwined like thoughts in dreamers' minds, promises sealed tight, stronger than twine. Softly spoken words paint the night. In this moment everything feels right. Feel the love, our hearts ignite underneath the glowing night. Every breath a pledge, we swear eternal love, so pure and rare. Whispers of forever in the cool night air, finding traces of heaven everywhere. In your arms I find my place to stay. With every heartbeat night turns to day. Touch so tender like the first spring bloom, love so powerful it shadows every gloom. With you I see a world so vast, we blend into the future, leaving the past. Feel the love, our hearts ignite underneath the glowing night. Every breath a pledge, we swear eternal love, so pure and rare. Feel the love, our hearts ignite underneath the leaf, the glowing night. Every breath a pledge, we swear eternal love, so pure and rare. And within love so pure and rare. Whispers of forever in the cool night air, finding traces of heaven everywhere. In your arms I find my place to stay. With every heartbeat night turns to day.